right, last NTI day for this bunch of NTI. The next step is going to be kind of easier. This is finding the arc length of a circle. The arc, remember the arc is the area where it's the distance around the outside, okay? So this is number 1 and number 5 from your actual NTI work, okay? So it wants to know how big this right here is, okay? How long that is. There's a formula. The formula is right here. Arc length equals the measure of angle B divided by 360 times 2 pi r. Okay, 2 pi r, that's the circumference formula if you remember that. So on this one, this isn't too bad. You can do it all in a calculator. You take the measure of angle A, or the measure you're looking for. So the measure right here is 315 degrees. Okay, it's that one right there, 315. All right, so it's gonna be 315 divided by 360. That's part of the formula. Times 2 pi r, and in this case the radius is also 2. So that's the 2, this 2 is in the formula, this 2 is the radius, okay? So the radius was 2. I do all that, let's see, let's type that in. So I do 315 divided by 360 equals that, times 2 times 2 times 3.14 is 10.99 yards, and this would be yards since it's like that, okay? So 10.99, or you could round it to 11 yards, okay? Let's do the next one. Let's do number 5. Same formula, no difference, okay? So I'm gonna say the arc length. Arc length equals, and it's gonna be the measure, the degrees, okay? So 150 divided by 360 times 2 pi r, okay? So it's going to be 2 times pi times the radius, which in this case is 6 feet. All right, multiply all those together. So I've got 150 divided by, 150 divided by 360 times 2 times 3.14 times 6. So this one, the arc length that I'm looking for, and I'm sorry, I did that wrong. So I did it right, I just didn't label it. Looking for that part right there is going to be 15.7 feet. Okay? All right, that's the end of your NTI work for this bunch. I'll post some more as it gets a little bit closer to spring break. Okay? See ya.